Today we're going to be covering a penny stock that can tenfold in the short term. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, how's it going? Hopefully you guys had an excellent weekend. Enjoyed your Martin Luther King holiday. Today we just wanted to recap our account a bit and then touch on a few things that are going to be happening this week in the market, starting this week in the market, and touch on a penny stock that we have looked into and we have done some research on it, and I think you guys are going to be pretty excited in regards to that. In regards to our account, today, Tuesday, we just returned back from the long weekend. We're currently up about almost 5% today. Market did open up strong. This week is going to be a very important week for a lot of companies. It's like one of the most exciting part of the year. Every quarter we have earnings, and it's something to keep track of, guys, because it's happened to me before where during earnings you get great opportunities sometimes to buy stock at a reduced price. Sometimes companies don't meet expectations, and they tend to fall a bit after earnings. So there's different ways you can play these stocks, but it's happened to me just not too long ago in the last earning report where PayPal reported earnings. Their stock fell all the way down to, like, I believe it was like somewhere around $177. And if you look at them now, I mean, they're trading way up there. So starting this week and for the next couple of weeks, about a month or month and a half, make sure you guys keep an eye on, track your earnings, and you can go on Google, do a Google search for earnings, and there's pages out there that'll give you, every single earning report, when it's gonna be, and that way you keep tuned in. And if you're looking for a stock that you're planning to buy, sometimes right after earnings they tend to fall, and that's going to be a great opportunity for you guys to jump in. Today's stock that we want to cover is a penny stock, and the reason why I'm excited in regards to this stock is because it's something that is needed by a lot of people. As of late, you might have a family member or so that has a diabetic problem, and people in the US, large amounts of people die on a yearly basis because of diabetes. So there's a high need for this product. A lot of times when I look at these stocks and I see what the price or valuations is on them, I try to compare them to their competitors and see where their stock is at. So the stock that we're going to mention today, we want to compare it to another stock that resembles kind of the same idea, kind of the same product, and that way we get a better picture of where our stock that we're looking at today can compare in the future to a stock that is already out there and is already established. So today's stock that we're going to be covering is Senseonics, creators of the first and only long-term implantable CGM. Okay? So this, just to give you a little bit more information in regards to this company, it's the world's only long-term CGM system. With the reverse Sense 90-day CGM system, you can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. Sense provides continuous blood glucose monitoring for up to 90 days via an under-the-skin sensor, a removable and rechargeable smart transmitter, and convenient app for the real-time diabetes monitoring and management. Okay? So basically, this will monitor your blood, your sugar levels for 90 days. The company that it most closely resembles, and the reason why I'm excited on this company is because the company that it most closely resembles is Dexcom. Maybe you guys have heard of it, or maybe you guys are already invested in it. And their stock, look what their stock is trading at, $3.54 with 77 cents. Okay, so just to give you an idea, Dexcom does very similar product. Okay, but Dexcom's product, I believe it only stays within your skin for about 3 weeks, and then you got to get it replaced. So in comparison to Senseonics is 3 months, so it's a 90 days. So that means you don't have to go back to the doctor and go every 3 weeks or every month. You could do it every 90 days. That's only 4 times a year, guys. So for somebody with diabetic issues, I think that serves him a lot better. The readings are basically read off of a sensor patch. Let me show you here. The sensor patch that is installed here, and then that'll direct the signal to your iPhone or to your smartwatch or whatever you have, just to give you an idea of where your glucose levels are at. The reason why I am invested in this company and why I have bought some shares here is because of the price difference, and currently it's trading for $2.08. Because of that price difference in comparison to Dexcom, which is trading $354, I just see that it's a big, you have a big upside. And sometimes on stocks like these, I'll buy some and I'll hold them for the long term, just because of the upside or the potential it might have or it can have. Now, an important thing that just happened this weekend was that it did a share offering. So that's important to know, because anytime there's a share offering, price tends to come down. However, on this stock here, I bought in at 190 last week, and then I bought some more today at about 170 or so, or 160, somewhere around there. And I do have a buy order at 140 just in case it does fall. I am going to be holding this stock long term. If I can 10 times my money on this stock, I have about 500 shares at the moment. I'm looking to increase my position to about 1,000 shares, and we'll take it from there. But it is a good company to hold right now. If you can get it anywhere between 125 to 160, I think you'd be very happy in the coming months or whatnot. Especially once they get further FDA approvals on some of their items, then I think you're going to be doing very well. But with that, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm just putting this company out there. It's an interesting company. Do your due diligence. Make sure you look into it before you decide on investing. But I think it has a huge upside, and I think you can make some really good money. With that, guys, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.